So this is the progress that I've made, and pretty much just stuck that piece straight across. My outside dimensions from here to over there are 48 inches, and I made some T-brackets with this 2x2. As you can see, I bolted those down right there and there, and I welded that nut back there, so you don't have to worry about it. You can just go ahead and bolt these down if you ever decide to take the table apart or not. This is for the middle support. And I just finished these up. These are everything is just tacked down, as you can see. And fortunately, when my uncle was welding this thing, I don't know how, or if something got stuck underneath, but this sheet kind of warped. So there's like a little bulge towards the center, and if you apply like pressure, it'll pop up somewhere else, and so that kind of sucks in terms of accuracy. I think I can make it work. These are kind of just floating for now until I figure out a way to maybe weld something so that they don't bend down. Although this is a 1/4 inch flat stock, and I cut all these down to a precise measurement over here, which is a 1/4 inch, and they really don't have much of a give, so I'm not too worried. But with any heavier work applied on top, it might just kind of indent a little bit, but I'll try to figure something out with that. For the slats, I'm using a 1/8, just flat stock, and I have this 1/2 inch piece right here, just kind of propping it up. I have some spacers in here so that my measurement, outside dimension from over there to over here, is exactly as the one from over there to here, and that's 110 inches and 1/8 exactly. So laterally, they're exactly the same, so that's pretty sweet. And height wise, they're exactly the same as well. From this point here to the floor, it's exactly 25 inches, and that's the same for all other points of reference, identical to that one. So ended up cutting these down, and I made this little 3/16 plate, and just attached with that caster wheel. Everything's tacked down, so I don't know, it's starting to actually look like a CNC plasma table, so that's some progress. And I'll keep you guys informed. I'll see where we're at later next week, and hopefully I can finish it up. So pretty excited. I'll walk you guys through several other steps as soon as I get a chance. And yeah, alright guys.